Welcome to Gaslands Racing. Today we got an exciting race, but before we get into that, we're going to take a little tour around the track. The cars are going to start at the bottom here of the Suicide, and you'll see why it's called the Suicide soon. They're going to come around here and into the elevator. Once inside, they're going to take the 10-minute ride all the way up the Suicide to start their engines and then start the race. They'll start at the top here and down the 45 angle slope, which is going to give them more than enough speed to do the entire race. It's a 2-lane track all the way to the first bend, and then it's a free-for-all around the Gaslands TV camera and through gate number 1. There's 4 in total on the track, including the finish line. We didn't get the track ready in time for 2022, so they're going to have to deal with that. And if they do, they're going to come around bend number 2, where there is the parking lot, and all the contestants of the previous year are there to show their support and maybe fire a few shots. Then they're going to come down the straight here into gate number 2, where they get their second point, and around bend number 3, around Ember Prime, where there is our monster truck there with his flamethrower, ready to do some damage if you come off the track, so try to stay on the track there. And into gate number 3, into a really long straightaway here. This is a fast straightaway. It's almost 45 degrees downwards, granting the drivers the speed they need to do the jump across the finish line into Purple City here, where our Gaslands camera crew are waiting to capture all the moment. And on top of that, if a driver manages to put part of his car into any of these openings here, it is an escape route to Mars. They'll win a ticket to Mars off this planet and to the beautiful, luxurious Mars that awaits above. Alright, so for today we got Dirt Dauber versus Chi Devil, which is round 2, or match 2 of round 1. And let's take a look at some stats here. We got Chi Devil by Clayton Neal, driven by Christy Barbosa from the Brazil desert. She likes empanadas and she dislikes the Warden. And she's sponsored by Gaslands NorCal. She's going up against Dirt Dauber by John Collins, driven by Peter Giovanni from Smashville, Rhode Island. He likes foreign digifilms and he dislikes styrofoam. Sponsored by Johnny Crafts. Alright, so the contestants are down here testing their car on the dyno before going up into the elevator in the back of the Suicide here. This is a 10-minute lift, so gets their hearts pumping. But as soon as they get up there, they start their engines, and we're ready to go for race number 1. And they're off. Chi Devil in the front, turns around, fires some shots at Dirt Dauber, and stops him from going past gate number 2. But she ended up on 2 wheels after firing, which it's kind of hard to do a curve backwards on 2 wheels. So she stops there. Oh, a little explosion there from Dirt Dauber. But he's okay. We're going to do race number 2. And they're off. Oh no, Dirt Dauber went off the track. Chi Devil is having a hard time. She does a little drift here. Oh, and almost gets to the finish line. Look at this drift. Instant replay of this beautiful drift. She could have made it, just it didn't end up in those 2 lanes. And could not finish the race. Let's do race number 3 here. And they're off. Too bad Dirt Dauber has no guns, can't fire anything. She turns around, shoots again, but Dirt Dauber helped her continue, and she actually finished this time. What an explosive finish. Where did Dirt Dauber end up? He passed the gate, so that's good. Got a gate point there. But also helped Devil continue the race. Race number 4, final race, here we go. We're off. Dirt Dauber has no guns. They're racing. And are they gonna get to the finish line? Oh, they both finished, I believe. I don't know who finished first. We need a replay here. It looks like Chi Devil was getting there, but then Dirt Dauber came in, and did he push? He pushed her across the finish line, making her win the race. But they both finished the race, and they both get 4 points for each gate. Whoa, our truck driver gets in on the action and fires some shots at Dirt Dauber. Alright guys, time for some time trials. Let's see which one of these two drivers is fastest on track when they're alone. She-Devil will go first. Timer at the bottom, and she's off. Not bad. Oh, she spin. Will she finish? Will she finish? She finishes and gets a ticket to Mars. Oh my god, her time sucks. But she got a ticket to Mars backwards. Good for you. Will she take it or give it to a friend? Who knows? But that's her time, and she's got a ticket. Now let's see how Dirt Dauber does. And he's off. Oh, off the track. Let's give him another chance here. Come on. Oh, off the track again. He keeps going off. No, I don't think we're getting a time from Dauber. He's all over the place. Oh, will he pass this? No, his car stalled. All right, one more. One more. You got this. Let's see if you can give us a time here, buddy. And he's gonna go make... Oh, no. Right in front of the finish line. I think we've given him plenty of tries, at least 10, and could not make it down to the finish line. So there will be no time for Dirt Dauber. Alright, let's take a look at some of the stats. Coming in at 35 grams, she won 2 races, 13 gates, best time of 6.68, and a ticket to Mars, putting her car fully in the tunnel. Then we have Dirt Dauber's stats here, 35 grams as well. He won no races. He passed 7 gates. He did not get a time, and he didn't get any tickets to Mars. Wasn't the best day out there for Dirt Dauber. But the winner is She-Devil by Clayton Neal. Congratulations. You move up, and you'll be driving against the Lorry Mobile. Make sure to sub and like to not miss the races. And guys, all the cars here that you see on Gaslands Racing are sent in by contestants, fans, viewers like you. Anybody really who wants to join in on the fun can send in their cars, and we'll have them race against each other. If you do play Gaslands, you can order some dice, Gaslands TV gates, some templates, maybe a few engines with skulls on them and pipes. Maybe you need guns, rams. You could order all of that on our Etsy page. It comes in a really cool Gaslands TV container. You could get a bunch of stuff to modify your cars for Gaslands, Auto Kill, Car Wars, or any vehicle miniature combat game you're playing. You could find some stuff on our Etsy page. Make sure to check out our Facebook group. We have a lot of fun stuff there too. Gaslands TV on Facebook. Guys, make sure to like, comment, and share. Subscribe to not miss any of the future races. We also have some terrain building tutorials and stuff like that, so go check out our channel. Thanks for watching.